If you have a house in Blacklick, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, even if the property is occupied or leased out, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been buying properties in and around Blacklick, Ohio, and we'll even buy the property and close on the property if there's someone living there. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it extremely easy for you. What that means is we'll handle any correspondence and communication with the person that's living there. There doesn't need to be any awkward moments between you and the person that's living there, and we can handle everything from start to finish, and we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. What that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to haul anything away or clean anything, and since we're a true cash buyer, we're not a traditional buyer that's relying on a bank approval or an appraisal. We're going to keep it simple. We don't need to walk through the house 100 different times. Typically, when you're working with a traditional type of buyer that has a realtor or a real estate agent, not only do you have to pay commissions and fees, but also they're going to require multiple walkthroughs. They're going to require all sorts of different hoops that need to get jumped through, and that's only going to make things worse between you and the person living there, and there's too much room for error. It's going to disrupt the situation and make it a lot worse. We're going to keep it easy. We're a true cash buyer. We're going to purchase the property in its as-is condition, and we'll handle any and all correspondence needed with the person that's living there. We buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Blacklick, Ohio. We've been doing it for a long time. We have tons of references and testimonials, and we'd love the opportunity to speak to you about your property. So our phone number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. If you prefer, you can hop online, fill out a little form. We'll get on the phone that way. And our conversation is very easy with you. We just need to know more about the property and then know more about any timeline that you're currently working with. And this is often overlooked, but it's very important. We're going to close on your timeline. When you're working with a traditional buyer, you're closing on their bank's timeline. We're closing on your timeline because we're a cash buyer. So if you need or want to close quickly, we can absolutely accommodate that. Or if you need more flexibility and you want to set a target date or something has to happen in your life before you could close, if that's the case, we could provide the flexibility you need to accommodate your needs. So we buy properties in and around Blacklick, Ohio. I'd love the opportunity to speak with you and at least let you know what your options are. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, we can shake hands and part as friends. There's no pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics. Our number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.